Hi guys, today I thought I would review these thank you stickers that I got. I also sell online, so I like to use these little thank you stickers to put on different packages and paperwork that I might send to a customer. It just says thank you for supporting my small business. I actually think these work. They're nice and sticky too. I think they work great to reduce returns. A lot of times people will order something that, on the spur of the moment and then have buyer's remorse afterwards. And I think they think twice when they realize they're supporting a smaller business. So that's one reason I like to use these, just so people know that I really am a small business and it's just me. So I'm not a big company that can afford, big returns all the time. So, because that does cost us money. Anyway, hope that helps.